Guys, it's Darlene and welcome to my channel. Alright, so I have no lips on because today we are going to try out the Estée Lauder lip kit, the one that they've done for breast cancer awareness. So I'm pretty excited about it and I will tell you why. So without further ado, let's jump right in. Alright guys, so first and foremost, if you're already subscribed to my channel, as always I want to say thank you so very much. And if you are not yet subscribed and this is your first time here and you enjoy videos like this, be sure to hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell. Alright, for those of you that do not know, I love Estée Lauder lip products. I have about 7 lipsticks right here. You know, Pink Berry. I'm all about that. Was the first one I ever bought. I think they are amazing. They're moisturizing. They're great for more mature women because they don't dry your lips out. They stay moisturized, hydrated, and the colors are fantastic. So I've always been a fan of Estée Lauder products. The foundation I'm wearing is the Estée Lauder Double Wear Light. It's one of my favorites. I'm wearing the eyeliner. You all know that Cheeky Pink is that beautiful shimmery color that I've shown you in previous videos. So I'm a fan of their products, absolutely. So I was excited to find out a little bit more of Estée Lauder and their fight towards breast cancer. Not only breast cancer awareness, but they have donated close to $80 million. A little fast history before we dive in. Evelyn Lauder had breast cancer. Most of us that get breast cancer, I can say that without a doubt, probably each and every one of us want to do something. So what she did was she got together with a physician and a friend, and they came up with the Breast Cancer Research Foundation. And like I said, they've raised $1 million. This kit is $35 for 3 lippies. I have not opened it. I have not seen them, so I'm going to do that with you. But 100% of what you buy this for goes to breast cancer research. So it's not, you know, a portion, it's 100%. And so I'm excited about that. She's also the one that came up with the pink ribbon that you see everywhere. So she wanted to make her mark, and I think that she did. And so I'm not going to tear up because I get so emotional when other women are fighting breast cancer or have fought breast cancer. So let's get started. Let's go ahead and open this cute little box. Okay, so it's got, let's see what is inside. Okay, so it comes with super cute little pink bag, little pamphlet about the Breast Cancer Research Foundation, and it tells a little bit about the Research Foundation, that it started in 1993 to advance the world's promising research to eradicate breast cancer. So that's a little booklet in there. Let's open this up. This is like the cute, it has the little ribbon. This is in gold, and so we're gonna open it up. And oh my gosh, these are adorable. Okay, how cute are these? So these are full-size lipsticks. I can't remember what I pay for a lipstick, but I'm pretty sure it's around $18. You're getting 3 of them for $35. And you could carry this little compact. How cute. It has a mirror. And it is this gorgeous metallic pink, and then it has the gold ribbon. Absolutely beautiful. I love these. Okay, so I'm going to take a look at these really quick because I'm going to go from lightest to darkest. Tumultuous Pink, Powerful, and Rebellious Rose. So you could see they're all different and they're all very pretty shades. All right, I typically, if you've watched my channel, I typically always wear a lip liner. I'm going to use the Estée Lauder Mocha. I'm not sure how this will work. But we're just gonna lightly line the lips. This may be a little bit too on the brown side, but hey, work with what we got here. So we've got Rebellious Rose. Let's go ahead and give that a try. I love lipstick. lipstick. I think lipstick makes everything better. How pretty is that? That's a really great color. All right, guys, so let's get rid of Rebellious Rose. The next color is Powerful. Ooh, this is like Barbie doll pink. So, ooh. All right, let's try the last one. I think it's Tumultuous Pink. So let's try this. Oh. Yeah, I'm wearing this today. I really like this one. I'm gonna line my lips. All right, so I will be right back and I will tell you my thoughts. All right, guys, so what are my final thoughts on the Estee Lauder Breast Cancer Awareness Lip Kit? Here it is here. First and foremost, let me start by saying that I'm always gonna back a company that has given so much to not only research, education of breast cancer awareness. So, you know, anyone that has fought breast cancer, you know, there's something inside of us that after we're through this battle, we want to be able to do something. I'm sure that's how Evelyn Lauder felt, and what she's done is start a movement. And if, you know, in the month of October, everyone else follows suit and they start making pink helmets and pink whatever, I don't have a problem with that, because if it brings awareness and makes you remember, hey, maybe I need to get my mammogram. Oops, I forgot. I didn't schedule it. Let me go ahead and do that. Then I'm all for it. But I will say with the lip kit itself, let's talk about that. I love Estee Lauder lip products, period. I mean, here we go. Look, I could pull out. Let me just throw a bunch of them around. I really hope that, here we go. Here we go. I love Estee Lauder lipsticks. I think they're awesome. If you guys haven't tried them, especially as a mature woman, although they'd work for anyone, as a mature woman, they are so good and so moisturizing on the lips. You won't have that drying, and the color is just, I'm like looking at myself in the mirror and I'm like, this is like, I'm rocking this color today. So I think it's beautiful. As far as the kit itself, beautiful. 100% of every dollar that you spend on this kit goes to breast cancer research. So to me, it's a win-win. The packaging is beautiful. I mean, it makes me smile. I'm definitely going to pick up some more, because I think that there's a few women that I know that maybe need a little pick-me-up, and this might be it. So they have some other breast cancer awareness products, so check them out. The link will be, I am not in any way affiliated with Estee Lauder. I wish, I love them. That's like my dream. But this is not a sponsored video. I'm not affiliated with them. I just love their products, and I love their dedication to breast cancer awareness. It means a lot, especially after you've gone through breast cancer. So, that's my thoughts. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and hit that like button. And as always, thank you so very much for watching. I hope you guys have a wonderful week, and I will talk to you soon.